Welcome to another video. So we're given that x minus 2 cubic is equals to x minus 2. So we're going to solve for the values of x, at least there are 3, and show you how to find it. On the solution part, since this is a cubic function, I'm going to take this on the other side so that I have x minus 2 cubic minus x minus 2 should be equals to 0. Next step, I know that x minus 2 cubic can be expanded as x minus 2 multiplied by x minus 2 squared minus x minus 2 is equals to 0. So guys, if you're watching us for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel, turn your notification on, and leave a comment. So the next step, I'm going to factor out x minus 2 since it is here and here, so that I remain with x minus 2 squared minus 1 is equals to 0. Then it goes without saying that it's either this is a product of two functions. It's either x minus 2 is equals to 0 or x minus 2 squared minus 1 is equals to 0. Then there we go. Our first solution, I'm going to take x on the other side of negative 2 so that I have x is equals to positive 2. So I'm going to call this x1 as our first solution for this type of equation. Or on this part, I'm going to expand x minus 2 squared minus 1 is equals to 0. Recall that wherever you have a minus b squared, this can be expanded as a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So for a case, this represents a, this represents b. Substituting in this function, I'm going to have x squared minus 2 in bracket multiplied by x multiplied by 2 plus 2 squared. So this gives me x squared minus 4, of course 2 times 2, 4x plus 4, but recall I have minus 1 here is equals to 0. Collecting like terms, this equation changes to x squared minus 4x plus 3 is equals to 0. Then this is quadratic equation. X squared minus 4x plus 3 is equals to 0. I want to solve it by factorization. I know that the product is equals to 3. The sum of this function is equals to negative 4. Now my two factors are negative 1 and negative 3. Now using the factors in this particular equation, I'm going to have x squared minus x, of course 1x, minus 3x plus 3 is equals to 0. And then at this stage, I'm going to factorize. And then I group and factorize. Common term here is x. I'm going to get x minus 1. Here I can factor out 3. And then I'm going to get x minus 1. So I've factored out negative 3 is equals to 0. Grouping, I'm going to have x minus 3, this and this, and x minus 1 is equals to 0. Then this is also a product of two functions. It's either x minus 3 is equals to 0, giving me x is equals to 3 as my second value of x, or x minus 1 is equals to 0. Then that gives us that x is equals to 1 as the third solution for the value of x. So we can go ahead and verify our answer. Our x1 was 2, x2 is equals to 3, and x3 is equals to 1. So we can start for x1 is equals to 2. Substituting in our equation is x minus 2 cubic is equals to x minus 2. Substituting it here, I'm going to have 2 minus 2 cubic is equals to 2 minus 2. Of course, this gives me 0 is equals to 0. So hence it satisfies that equation. For x2 is equals to 3, substituting it here, I'm going to have 3 minus 2 cubic is equals to 3 minus 2. Of course, this gives me 1. Cubic is equals to 1. And of course, 1 is the same as 1. So guys, don't forget to comment, share this video, subscribe and like. Next, for x3 is equals to 1, this one. Substituting it here, I'm going to have 1 minus 2 cubic is equals to 1 minus 2. When you take 1 minus 2, you get negative 1. Cubic is equals to 1 minus 2, negative 1. And when you find the cube of negative 1, of course you get negative 1 is equals to negative 1. So guys, at least we have managed to find 3 real solutions for this particular problem. I hope you have learned. And we have come to the end of this particular video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, turn your notification on, and most importantly, subscribe. Let's meet in the next video. Goodbye for now.